Hey We Deemers, it's Sal, and today we're going to be answering the question, did Redragon finally nail the gaming speaker, and also do I believe that they are the best budget speaker? Only one way to find out. Let's take a closer look. First thing that I noticed was a surprisingly premium look, and nothing against Redragon because I do use quite a few of their products, but I just can't say that their speakers in the past had a premium look. Wait, I lied. The Redragon Kraken was a pretty premium looking gaming headset. Wait, you said speakers! The front of the speaker is matte black, gloss finish near the RGB, and wood grain pattern on the side of the speakers. The speakers feel mostly constructed of plastic. Even the wood grain feels like plastic to me. Well, according to RedDragonShop.com, the Andante has wood. Now, as Redragon tends to do, the Andante has a sister speaker, the Redragon Lynch. These are more on par with Redragon's normal design, and I think they look really cheap, with the RGB taking up the entirety of the driver. The Andante has a 3-inch bass driver and a 2-inch driver. When we move to the side, we are presented with the volume and bass knobs. There is an RGB button, a Bluetooth aux mode button, headphone, and mic pass-through. There is also the 3.5mm aux cable, which has a mic and audio out jack. The USB is for connecting the left speaker, and last but not least, there's a DC jack. The Andante is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, has crystal clear audio at mid-range sounds. But we will get into that later in the video, and the connection appeared to be really strong when in Bluetooth. The speaker has 2.0 stereo sound, 10 watts output, and a very subtle RGB light bar. In the past, I took a look at two Redragon speakers, the Stentor and the Orpheus, which weren't horrible speakers. However, they were lacking in the bass department, as a couple of viewers did point out to me. Do not buy this shit. It's have a cheap plastic box sound. Very bad bass and not balanced. I tried the Stentor and I sent it back to the store. A Wooden Genius SPHF 160 for $5 to $10 is much better deal. The audio quality on the Andante did surprise me a little and make me question, did Redragon finally nail the gaming speaker? The audio quality was clear and the bass, it was a ton better than other Chinese speakers on the market. My girlfriend suggested playing like a G6. Cut that shit out. What are you looking to get a copyright strike? But the speakers didn't perform all that well, and the bass was less than impressive. As I moved on to game testing, the audio in Doom sounded pretty good.
You have no idea what you have just done.
Olivia is still alive. I've detected her life signature at the Argent Tower.
Audio was clear at low and medium volumes, but at 100% it was a little muffled. Alright, I really want to point out how hard it is to really capture the audio quality through your camera's mic. So I tried putting my Rode mic in front of the speaker, and it only sounded a little better. So if any of you have any suggestions on really capturing the audio quality of a speaker, let me know down below. Moving on to the next game. Once again, really hard to give you a feel for how they sound off camera, but I think at mid volume and bass all the way up, it's an overall good audio experience.
My name is not important. What is important is what I'm going to do. I just fucking hate this world, and I will put in the grave as many as I can.
I wanted to dive a little deeper, really get a feel for how it performs, so I found this Test Your Speakers video, which is linked below in the description, and my opinion has changed slightly. On the low range, it sounds kinda like it's in a tin can. Medium, the audio is pretty clear.
Mid-range sounds.
But as you hit the high range music, clarity decreases and sounds like it's echoing in a box.
High sounds.
I know someone's gonna ask this in the comments, so let's just get it out of the way. How good is the Bluetooth range? Well, I walked from my second floor bedroom all the way into the basement, and it appeared that it did not disconnect. There was no stuttering or any signs of the audio getting faint. So I'd say it's actually pretty good. Before we bring this video to an end, the last thing that I noticed when I hooked my Alienware headset to the speakers, there wasn't much bass, whereas if I hooked my Alienware headset to my PC, there was a decent amount of bass, so that's a flaw. Another thing, the aux cable on the speakers splits off into the mic and a headphone. There is no single cable bringing them together, so that's something you're gonna have to buy separately if you're trying to pass your headset through the speakers into your PC. So, did Redragon nail the gaming speaker? If you compare the Redragon Andante to their past speakers that I've reviewed on the channel, or cheaper Chinese speakers, the answer is yes. But if you're looking for gaming speakers with really good bass and audio clarity at even the highest volume, these cheap budget speakers just might not be for you. If you have any questions or feel that I missed something really important, which I unfortunately tend to do, let all the We Deemers know down below. Share your opinions, projects, and favorite games with us on social, links in the description, and all the featured product links are in the description as well. As for now, I'll see you in the next one.
Hey guys, instead of staring at my ugly mug, why don't you go ahead and check out one of our other videos? 1, 2, I'll wait. My busted face ain't going nowhere.